I'm Cameron from Canberra Sheds. We're here out at Hocking Road, Happy Valley. We are sheeting walls today. Previously we did a video on the lift day. Since then we have joined all the roof sections together. Had to do that up in the air. Just slows things down a little bit. You're generally battling the weather a bit more there. Wind and sort of rain and things like that don't help much. But since then, we've got all that done, the walls are framed up, started sheeting walls, we're insulating as well, so wind is really bad again when it comes to that. We can't have much wind at all. There's been a few little logistics things that you find, which is with every job. Materials, especially at the moment, they're just sort of hard to come by on the right timeline with freight. But Entegra's sort of all over that. They always are thinking ahead of the game and making sure that our schedule is sort of lined up with when we need the materials. It gets delivered on site, so it's not hanging around too long or we're delayed with anything. So this type of shed that we're doing at the moment, we probably average maybe 3 or 4 per year of this size locally in the area. They're very common. Just with the industry we're in, with the agriculture, it's a very happening industry and moving forward. So since we would have first started, it's more so just our efficiencies of how we go about things and the processes that's really evolved. You just find you're just getting quicker at what you do, pretty much. You know, you're thinking sort of 5-10 steps in front of where you need to be. And it just makes the job a lot easier and safer when you are thinking in front of what you've got to do. So when we undertake a project like this, we very early on in the planning stage, we'll sit down with our project manager that's assigned to this job. So they're our one point of contact, and we'll come up with a plan, whether it be schedule or they'll understand the process in which we want to build the shed. So then it's very transparent between us and Entegra on how the whole job needs to run efficiently. And then at that point, obviously things change on site, whether it's delays with materials or weather, or it can be just anything really. You just make sure that you've got good communication between yourself and the project manager, and everything can be adjusted, changed to suit yourselves. Then it's a very fast and efficient build on site.